When people get into a serious car accident, their entire life can change in a matter of seconds. And one of the biggest mistakes I see people make is thinking they have to figure everything out alone. You don't. I'm a car accident attorney in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. And for years, my team and I have helped people here after devastating car accidents, serious injuries, and life-changing losses. And here's what I want you to understand. This process is hard enough already. You're dealing with pain, doctors, medical bills, insurance companies. Maybe you can't work. Maybe your car is totaled. Maybe your entire routine, your life has been flipped upside down. The last thing you should have to do is fight with an insurance company that's trying to pay you as little as possible. My family and I have lived that ourselves. So that's where my firm comes in. At Kitchell Injury Law, we hold negligent drivers accountable and pursue the compensation they actually deserve. And for us, this isn't about paperwork or lawsuits. It's about helping people regain control of their lives. One thing I tell every client is this: you're not just another case. We are a small firm. You may come in like a client, but our goal is that you leave feeling like family. Because when someone trusts us during one of the worst moments of their life, we take that responsibility seriously. Every case is different though. Some people just need help dealing with insurance. Others may need to file a lawsuit because the insurance company won't do the right thing, or they simply refuse to acknowledge the full scope of what you've been through. A lot of people don't realize hiring us or even filing a lawsuit doesn't automatically mean you have to go to trial. In many cases, it's really about creating leverage. It's about putting pressure on the other side to finally take your injury seriously. Our job is to protect you throughout the whole process and make sure your voice is heard. We handle all kinds of accident cases here in DC: rear-end collisions, drunk driving crashes, distracted driving, hit and run, ride-share accidents, and commercial vehicle crashes. We also help families who have lost loved ones in fatal accidents, and those are some of the hardest cases we handle emotionally, because no amount of money can replace a person, but accountability matters, and families deserve answers. Now, when people think about compensation, they usually think about their bikes if it's a cyclist, or about medical bills or car repairs, but serious accidents affect every part of your life. Pain, stress, anxiety, physical limitations, the ability to enjoy life the way you used to. All of those damages are real, and insurance companies love to minimize what we call human losses. We don't. Our team works to build strong cases using witness statements, video footage, medical records, and expert analysis when we need it. Because preparation matters, details matter, and our experience matters. Another important thing people need to know is this: in DC, there are strict deadlines for filing injury claims. And if you wait too long, you can lose your right to recover compensation. That's why it's important to speak with an attorney sooner rather than later, even if you're not sure you have a case. And listen, I know contacting a lawyer can feel intimidating. A lot of people worry they're going to be pressured or sold something. That is not how we operate. We offer free consultations because we want people to get answers. We want people to understand their options. There is no pressure, no obligation, just real conversations about what happened and how we may be able to help or not help. At the end of the day, my goal is simple. I want people to feel protected. I want them to feel heard. And I want them to know they don't have to go through this process alone. So if you or someone you love has been injured in a car accident in Washington, D.C., Virginia, or Maryland, reach out to Kitchell Injury Law. We'd be honored to help you.